Hi guys, my name is Alina Puzir and today we will make classic sponge with lemon. It's very tasty, very soft and it's quite easy to cook. So let's go! What do we need? We need 4 eggs, sugar, white flour, baking powder, oil, milk and peel from 1 lemon. First of all, we need to divide eggs into egg whites and yolks. The easiest way to do it is just put all eggs into one bowl. Your bowl should be very dry, without any water or fat or something else. And then we just take yolk and put it into another bowl. And now we need to wipe egg whites and yolks with half of sugar here and half of sugar here. And I wiped it for several minutes until egg whites became this very soft, very white meringue. And now I need to wipe yolks. They should be very white, very fluffy, and I will wipe them for several minutes. And after several minutes, yolks should look like this. They became whiter and very fluffy, so you can stop wiping. So now we don't need mixer, we need only spatula and we need to mix our egg whites and yolks. And I add lemon peel and I mix it very gentle, but quite fast. And now we need to combine dry ingredients in one bowl and liquid ingredients, milk and oil in 1 glass. I add baking powder and mix it, and mix milk with oil. And now I will add dry ingredients, just a little, and a little of liquid, and mix. And when you mixed it, add another portion. When I added last portion, I need to mix it until smooth, so check it. You shouldn't see any flour or milk or anything else. So mix it softly, but very well. So our dough is ready, let's bake it. I make bottom with foil, like this. And put dough into the rings. Don't put a lot, only for half, because it will grow in the oven. Now I put sponges into the oven. I'll bake them for 40 or 50 minutes and our temperature is 140 or 50 degrees. So look at them. How beautiful they are. And now I don't need to cool it like this. I just put film on the top and I'll wait for several hours and leave them on the table, and then I'll put them into the fridge for 6-8 hours or for the night, and only then I will cut them. So let me show you how our biscuit look like inside after a night in the fridge. Let's see structure. So remove foil. It is so wet here. That's nice. If it's not easy to remove biscuit, so you can use knife. Look at this. Let's cut the top out. It smells incredible. So this sponge is just perfect for cakes. I really very often use it for my berry cakes and just for vanilla cakes, so I hope you will use it too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. See you next video.